Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something very special for you in store. Today we're gonna make beignets. It's a French pastry, but we're gonna make it New Orleans style. So let's get to it.
Add 1/8 cup of sugar in 3/4 cup of lukewarm water.
And 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. We're gonna mix it in together and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes until it doesn't turn foamy. So it's been 10 minutes and our yeast has been fully incorporated and activated. The little bubbles you see here, it means that the yeast has been activated.
Transfer the yeast mixture into a large bowl.
Sugar and salt. The remainder of our sugar.
Add in 1/8 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt.
A half cup of milk.
2 tablespoons of butter and an egg. Take your whisk and give it a good whirl.
A few moments later.
Yo, time to add your flour. You're gonna add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour in batches. I've added them in batches of half a cup. Your dough is going to be very sticky at this point, but don't worry, don't keep adding flour. It'll all come together in a while.
It's a very soft and plumpy dough.
Gently fold the dough like this. You don't need to knead it like a pizza dough.
Transfer your dough to an oiled bowl and let it rest for about an hour or until it doubles in size.
The dough is big and plumpy. The traditional beignets are in squares, so that's how we're gonna cut them. Well, almost.
And now we're gonna get a little bit funky with some shapes. Ta-da! Look at our beignets. They are very soft, so you have to be very careful. Look at them, they're so cute.
Let's fry these bad boys. You could use a deep fryer or do it on a pot on a stove, but make sure your oil is hot. Keep flipping them so they're nice and golden brown. They look so good already.
And they are done. They look so good. We've only got one square left because I admit ended up having more than one while making them. We need to powder them up with sugar. And they're finally done. So if you can't contain yourself, you can dig in, or you could plate some. Ta-da! I'm gonna try some now. Amazing. They're so good. If you want some?
Yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Rifa.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time.